Hi guys, let's get into this hibiscus sparkler. Perfect for your upcoming Juneteenth celebration. This recipe calls for your very own hibiscus tea along with a bay leaf infused simple syrup. So to get this tea brewing, you simply want to hydrate a half a cup of hibiscus flowers and 5 cups of boiling water. And to that, we will add 5 bay leaves. You want to let that seep overnight or for at least 8 hours. Next, we are preparing our bay leaf infused simple syrup. And simple syrup is simply 1 part water to 1 part sugar. So here I'm using 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar and adding 5 bay leaves. Put that on a low simmer to completely dissolve the sugar. Move from the aisle and let cool. Now that our hibiscus tea is ready, we'll transfer it to our container. Now let's get into this cocktail. You want to fill a shaker with ice, and to that add 3 ounces of sweet vermouth, 1 ounce of your bay leaf infused simple syrup, 1 ounce of your hibiscus tea, a few dashes of bitter, and just a splash of limoncello. Now let's give this drink a couple of shakes and it's ready to be transferred to our glass. Now, just to round this cocktail off, we'll top it with some sparkling wine and my favorite Luxardo cherries, a hydrated hibiscus flower, and a couple of sprigs of bay leaves. We are ready to serve.